Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your phone. First, ensure all your important data is backed up to a cloud service or a computer. Next, remove your SIM card and any external memory cards. It's also wise to charge your phone to at least 50% battery. Finally, sign out of all linked accounts such as your Google or Apple ID before proceeding. Now let's find the reset options. Open your phone's main settings application. Scroll down and look for a section labeled System or General Management. Within this menu, you should find an option for Reset or Erase All Data. Before you go further, make sure you understand that this process will delete everything on your device. To perform the reset, select Factory Data Reset or Erase All Content and Settings. Your phone might ask for your PIN, pattern, or password to confirm it's you. Carefully read the warning and confirm your decision to erase all data. The phone will then restart and begin the formatting process, which may take a few minutes to complete. Once the reset is finished, your phone will restart and present the initial setup screen, just like when it was new. You can now set it up from scratch or restore your data from a backup you created earlier. Remember to reinsert your SIM card and any memory cards. If you're selling the device, consider additional secure data wiping for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.